Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to see who subscribed to your YouTube channel. This process is similar on both PC and mobile, though it's a bit different on mobile. So let's get started. Open up your browser and go to your YouTube channel. Once you are there, click on your profile picture at the top right and from the menu, select YouTube Studio. You can only access your subscriber list in the YouTube Studio itself. Once you're in YouTube Studio, look at your dashboard and scroll down. You'll see a section labeled Recent Subscribers. Click on See All to view your full subscriber list. From here, you can sort by subscriber count or by date subscribed to see either your most recent or oldest subscribers. You can also adjust the time range to show subscribers from the last 7 days, last 90 days, or lifetime. And that's it. Now you know how to see who's subscribed to your channel. If this video helped you out, feel free to buy me a coffee using the link in the description. This will support the channel so I can keep making more videos like this. Thanks for watching.